If you're seeing this issue where you can't copy a video into Premiere Pro without only showing just the audio, you see it's just the audio, then there is one thing that you can do with this video, and you'll need to compress it. See, even though this video is showing as an MP4 file, 600 megabytes, I think it's too big for the file, so you need to compress it a bit. So just upload that file into a video compressor. So just go ahead, compress now, and then once this is done, all you have to do is download it and then upload it again, and it should work right away. Yep, and now you can see it's compressing, so it's just gonna take a couple minutes again. Alright, so now it's done. I'm just going to save it to my device. It's going to download it. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag that into my video. And you can see there the videos are here. Now I can upload it successfully. So that's what you have to do. You just have to compress it, and then you can just re-upload it. So unfortunately, for some file types, it's going to happen, especially if it's a large file. That's what you'll have to do to get the video to import successfully on Adobe Premiere Pro. And that's everything. Yep, thanks.